3, 2, 1.
What's up everyone, I'm Nico Justin T. Magkalas, and for today's video, we're assigned to do a performance task in English 10 to improve our various skills such as editing, communicating, and acting. This task has a connection to the past lesson that we've learned. Firstly is the multimodal text, such as digital and printed. Secondly is to memorize speech. And then lastly is the criticism or the evaluation. So what is multimodal text? Multimodal text combines various modes of communication such as audio, text, images, and videos to convey a meaning. And our task is to create both printed and digital.
Ate, saan yung...
I'm Bianca Marmon Salvatierra. And I'm going to discuss what is memorized speech. So, memorized speech is a speaking with advanced preparation. And the example of memorized speech in our performance task is that our actor and actress is going to memorize their lines
For the movie scene competition.
Lastly is the critical evaluation. This is where we analyze and criticize someone's work. Our task here is to critique others' group and their performance. So sit back, relax, as we're going to witness an extraordinary performances.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko, makuha.
Happy birthday, Joe. Joe. Dami natin kita. Dami mo pang regalo, oh. Joe? Joe, ano ba yun? Galit ka ba? Joe? Joe? Pausapin mo naman ako. George! Akin na. Akin na yan! Joe, ano ba yun? Ha? Ano ba problema? Sabihin mo sa akin. Joe, ano bang gusto mo, Joe? Nagmumukha naman ito eh. Joe, kung galit ka, marahin mo ako. Kung gusto mo ba, saktan mo na lang ako? Oh. Joe, ano? Pagod ka na ba? Ayaw mo na ba? Joe, ano? Ayaw mo na? Pagod ka na? Ah!
Pagod na ako. Pagod na akong maglinis ng kalat mo. Pagod na akong mag-aral. Pagod na akong magtrabaho. Pagod na akong isipin paano nakakayanan panurin ako maganda ko ba? Para lang makabayad sa putik na kuryente at tubig na yan. Habang ikaw, yan, patuloy lang sa passion na yan. Puro passion, hindi tayo mapapakain ng passion na yan. Hindi mo na ako mapabili. Bakit ako? Pero dito meron. Dito sa putik na to, laging meron. Ito na lang palagi. Lagi na lang sarili mo. Lagi na lang mga pangarap mo. Ikaw! Wala na lang ikaw!
Hindi mo ba talaga nararamdaman mo, George?
Pagod na ako. Pagod na akong sabihin kina mama na okay sa ako. Pagod na akong umasa at pag-isip ko bumalik na yung primo minahal ko. Pagod na akong magantay na to pa rin mo yung mga pangarap mo. Pagod na akong pagtanggol ko sa lahat.
Ano, George? Wala ka nang tiwala sa akin? Wala ka nang tiwala sa akin? Wala? Hindi ka na naniniwala?
Naniwala ako sa'yo. Yan ang pagkakakalay ko. Pagod na akong magmukhang pagod na akong mapag-iwanan.
Hihila kita po ba, George?
Pagod na akong bitbitin ka.
Hindi mo na kaya?
Pakiramdam ko, sinasayang ko lang yung buhay ko sa mundo.
Will your life be better without me? Do you want me to go, George?
Just live, please. Just live.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo.
I don't know why I came here. I mean, what are we doing? We're sitting here and we're eating here. And we're talking, but no one actually saying anything.
What do you want me to say? What do you want to talk about?
Why didn't you call? Why didn't you call me? I mean, did I not deserve any more explanation than that letter? You couldn't have given me some sort of chance to change your mind? Don't you think you owe me that?
I couldn't.
You couldn't. You thought that little me that you couldn't just have called? Why?
Because I couldn't.
Give me an answer. Why? Why not?
Because I couldn't.
I just want an answer.
Because just hearing your voice would have changed my mind. Is that what you want to hear, John? Is that what you came all this way to hear from me? You think it was tough out there? Then why do you think it was easy for me without you? You thought that every single day wasn't the marathon of my life without you. Tim was sick. He was sick and he needed me. He needed me to help him. He needed me to help him with Alan. With everything. I was alone and I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't plan this. I didn't know that it was gonna happen to me. But it did. But you don't think I've tried? I picked up the phone 1,000 times to try to call you. You think I really want to be standing here in front of you like this? I had no choice.
Don't you think I was too young to be messed with the girl?
Uy! Ano naman yung pinags mo sa akin? Bulacan?
Yeah.
Diba dun yung nakaan ng concert? Yung mga tipa?
No, not there.
Saan? Pero nga, nakikipagkita ko sa iskinita ng mga ibang tao, di tayo lang. Para lang sabihin na sa Bulacan kayo lilipat ni Atsi?
Yeah.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Sinasabi mo sa akin? Hindi mo na lang tinaksakin.
Because kahit na very good ako ni Auntie Cathy, Balmer kay Papa lang din ako. So, yun yung reason. Ikaw pa rin yung supply ng alcohol.
Bakit di ka na lang kumuha ng supplier sa Balakat?
You're making things complicated. Obviously, hindi ko sila kilala. Hindi na ako kilala. So, ikaw pa rin. Ikaw pa rin yung gusto ko.
Yan tayo eh. Gusto mo kong hinahala eh.
Ew. Ew. I hate your smile. No. What? You don't want chocolate? You don't want 5,000 a week?
5K a week? Paano lang magkita ka?
Yeah. Ikaw pa rin yung gusto ko.
Okay, sige, go.
Okay. See you.
See you.
Sa Balacan.
Balakan. Ingat.
Love you every minute that we second. Love you everywhere in every moment. Always and
Saan nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako'y di na naging sapat? Ba't di mo sinabi?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Josh. I'm sorry na wala ako. I'm sorry na pagod ako. Natakot ako kasi hindi kita mahanap doon. Binigay ko lahat. Binigay ko sa'yo lahat. Naubos mo ako. I'm sorry, nasaktan kita.
Sorry po. Wala akong ng mga panahon. Kailangan mo ako. Sorry ko. Wala akong ng mga panahon. Kailangan mo na makakapitan. Sorry ko. Hindi kita naprotektahan. Hindi mo lang kita naprotektahan. Natakot ako. Sobra. Kaya gusto ko, nandun ako. Ang mga panahon, sasaktan ka. Pero wala. Siguro, kung ko na rin na hindi talaga tayo para sa isa.
Sinubukan naman natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Nilaban naman natin, di ba?
Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo. Sa lahat ng memories na bigyan mo sa akin. Masaya na ako sa mga pinagsamahan natin. Masaya na ako na masaya ka.
Gusto ko maging masaya ka rin. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Kailangan ko. Take care of yourself. I need to.
Ako yung nauna, pero siya ang wakas. At kita naman sa iyong mga mata kung bakit pinili mo siya.
na ulit.
Slow motion, paglabas niya, slow motion.
Tingin ka dito. Na?
Ang tawa na. Eh, mas maluwang ka daw sa'yo.